I'm going to take you through the topic of why you shouldn't trade a demo account for more than 2 months. The biggest element in Forex trading is to master your psychology. And usually in trading a demo account, most people don't care whether they lose or they gain, because in whichever case, it's not real money. So you're not emotionally attached to your trading account, as well as you don't master how to control your greed and to be patient for your trades to work out. This is the main reason as to why we insist that you shouldn't trade a demo account for more than 2 months. You should practice with a demo account just to master the different time frames of the Forex market, as well as to master how to open positions on the Forex market, how to correctly set levels of take profit and stop loss, as well as to just familiarize with how the different time frames affect volatility in the Forex market. Once you have gotten acquainted with the Forex market and how the different time frames merge into each other, then it's time to get into a real account. Trading consistently in the Forex market is mostly determined on how well you can master your psychology. The bottom line is you shouldn't trade a demo account for more than 2 months or at most 3 months.